Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to take a picture like this and make it look like this.
Fire when I touch the site. In the booth, I own the mic. In the booth, I own the mic. See them smiles and overbites.
Alright, so the first thing I did was I imported 3 pictures of mountains from the internet, just random ones, and I cut out around the skies, I cut out the bottom bits on the trees, just turned down the opacity a little bit so I could see what I was doing. The next two, because you sort of get the drift after the first one. Turned down curvature a little bit, made them a little bit darker to fit into the background. Then I missed this step and imported in some pictures of clouds, just some PNGs, see-throughs, just to make the background a little less obvious. Then I added in the new sky. I got rid of the old sky. I just went through and rubbed out the old sky. Used the curves again once I'd combined all the mountains into one layer. Made them a little bit darker again, made the background a bit darker so it suited the sky. Made the clouds darker just to bring the whole vibe in a little bit more. Next thing I did after this was I just drew a brush stroke just across the screen, just a blue one. And it wasn't meant to look like that, but hey, it turned out pretty cool. I just set it to like subtract mode, blending mode, and it turned out pretty cool. From then I went and like sorted out the clouds a little bit more because they looked a bit too fake, so I rubbed them out a little bit. Went in, made the flowers a bit sharper. And then after that, what I did was I took it into Lightroom, and then I started working on the contrast, turned that up, got rid of the highlights, turned them down, shadows up, brought the clarity up, and that sort of brought out the definition of the waves. Then I went, after that, I went onto the reds, turned them up, turned up the oranges, and then I got rid of the yellows and the greens to make the background stand out more and the foreground stand out less. And then I went, just to finish it off, added a little bit of sharpness. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't, don't like the video, leave a comment down below. See you lot in the next one.